Hello, my name is Konkao, VP of Marketing at Imgix. Welcome to our demo on the Imgix integration for Figma. We created the Imgix integration for Figma so designers can easily access, edit, and save design files to their cloud storage, all without leaving Figma. With Imgix, you can turn your cloud storage into a powerful visual media server with robust optimization and fast content delivery. So let me start the demo. In Figma, let me pull up the Imgix plugin. Here you can see I have already connected my Imgix account. Let's do a search for dog. I'm going to select the second image, bring it into Figma. We can adjust the image, add a rectangular text box, and put a company name in it. To save it as a new image, select all the layers and pick a new folder. In this case, we're going to select 4 bottle ads. I'm going to export the Figma selection as a new file. This new image should be immediately available on the web. I can put the image link in the browser and see the image. You can change the width to 400 pixels or perform any transformations you like. To get started, create a free account at imgix.com and install the Imgix plugin in Figma. We have put the links in the description box. As always, contact us if you want a demo or have any questions. Thank you for watching and see you next time.